Go on, show us your chopping skills.
Now, the other couple can get a couple of garlic cloves, peel them and chop them up. Really, really, really fine. Yeah? It shouldn't be very hot anyway.
Should we keep the seeds in there?
Yeah,
In case doesn't think I've chopped it fine enough. Timber.
3 hours. You have a lot of time to talk about Spanish cooking.
Some good
If you have
cutting
any
there.
questions?
Load of chocolate.
Now when you're ready, you can put your hands.
Cal's working hard. I'm enjoying this.
Good.
The onions made you cry yet?
No. No, no.
You are. Cooking some onions today. This what?
On what you doing?
Making abondigas. Look at that. Made from beef and pork. Can't forget the pork. This is the onions and a little red wine. Down here we've got already cooked. Looking alright. He's just added fizzy water.
Fizzy water.
You ever cooked with fizzy water before?
No.
Yeah.
Okay, now we stop for a sec. And then we do half garlic. Half garlic.
They look like hoops.
You having a good time?
It's got the onions fried. And this is the pepper water. Yeah, abondigas are cooked. We've got some chicken skewers ready to go in the oven.
And we made the right mess.
Oh really?
Still running. Not the same people. So you go to a Ricontillo, you order for your spinach and chickpeas, and they do that for you on the bar. Yeah?
Very good.